What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Just Talk Smith channel. In today's video, we're going to be heading to Lexington, Kentucky, which is like an hour and some change away, to pick up my wheels. I'm not going to tell you what brand they are just yet. Some of y'all may know if you follow me on Instagram. But yeah, we're headed there now, and I can't wait to show you these wheels, guys. They are freaking sick. The poor car. I ordered some new tires for the car, if y'all been watching those videos. Listen, guys, before I start this time lapse and stuff, I want to know y'all's opinion. Is anybody going to the Florida truck meet? It's not Daytona anymore. Y'all going to Daytona or y'all going to Florida truck meet? Comment down below and let me know. Yeah, let me know what all shows everybody's going to be at so I can try to come to all the shows. Gabe Farrell and Cole Motors, they're throwing a show like up north. Try to go to that one too. And Music City Showdown, Smoky Mountain Truck Fest, Cole Motors, Florida Truck Meet, Daytona. I don't know what else there is. Summer Trucking Nationals. Yeah, if y'all can think of any more shows, comment down below. Tell me where y'all are going to be at. Sir, if you can just put it right here. Sir. You just back her right on up right there, bub. Watch out for pedestrians now. Easy. Whoa. Whoa. Easy, Devin. Wow. Oh, you have to show the whole pallet?
We all have a photo ID.
Yes.
Can you just put them on my truck?
Yeah.
You got adapters? Oh, are you just going to take the whole wheel out?
Yeah. Whole box. I'm gonna get the box off. Drops the whole wheel. That is pretty heavy.
You want me to help you?
Huh?
You want me to help you?
No, we good. You better be getting a good shot of this. You're getting a good.
Oh, God. God.
Look at that. Look at that. Chris? These were supposed to be smooth. It's okay though. It doesn't bother me. Although, first time I curb them, I'll probably hit that. Alright, boys. Let's get this baby out.
Drops it.
Yeah, drops the whole wheel. Open your door. How can I do this?
Ooh.
Sheesh. Look at that. Let's see that finish on him. Show him that finish on him. Sheesh. Them bitches don't spin though.
God, them look good.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. Huge shout out JTX hooking it up.
I mean, they're alright.
No, brother, I'm very, very happy with
I
these.
love
Huge shout
them.
out to everybody at JTX. Y'all go follow them on Instagram and stuff. I'll be linking their page in the description box down below. Got these wheels. Let's get home, get them unboxed, get them laid out. Whew. I'm gonna put this in the back seat so I can look at it all the way home.
What are those, 12 odds?
10.
Don't call me out like that. And the JTX 4s in the center cap is perfect.
Oh, dude.
Hold on.
All right, listen. Is it still recording? Yeah. All right, so huge shout out JTX. I know I already said that, but listen. These wheels are too high quality. Whoa. Too nice and everything to be having these boring boxes, guys. I tell y'all, I work with companies, but I'm still honest, okay? These boxes ain't it. We gotta get some mean looking JTX boxes. We gotta get some mean JTX boxes. Look, you can't pull a big beautiful wheel like that out of this. We gotta step our box game up. Other than that, the wheels are fucking sick. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the top wheel off. Put it up. Look at this. Look at our view all the way home, baby. Sheesh.
Really?
Did you really?
Send them back.
Nope. Nope. He done it to me. He done it to me first.
Okay, I got cheap wheels, you got big wheels.
Yeah, hey, they're still billet caps though. We ain't fooling no plastic caps yet. At least. Y'all gotta give me some credit. At least they got billet caps. All right, guys, we're gonna stop by Chipotle, get some food, and then I'll talk to y'all whenever we get back home. I got more in this video. We got some parts coming in. I got more in this video than just the wheels. So y'all stay tuned. Enjoy this time lapse all the way back home. And then we got some parts for the 6.0 to open up. This build's finally gonna start coming together here soon. Hopefully that doesn't bust out of the door here in a little bit. So I'll see y'all whenever we get home.
Perfect.
Whoops. Hey, you can't pay for this kind of advertisement. Hey, JTX right here. Look at these D-babies blinging. So we can't risk losing the wheels, so we're strapping them down.
Nah, they're not too bad.
No, you're good. Here, we'll put this in the middle.
Perfect. Perfect.
We were checking to see if they're true directional. But look, I also got this in today. It's a light up Ford emblem. I'm going to be color matching it. There will be a video on this for all of you 6.0 guys, Ford guys. I'm going to be showing you how to color match these. But everywhere that it's white will stay white. So it's like raised. So I'll be color matching it and then cleaning off where it's lit up. And then we will be clear coating it completely. And it'll be really, really cool. And for the 6.0s, you buy these for a 15 through 17, and then it's gonna be the correct size. It's like a little bit on the big side, but like it fits on there, and it'll be paint matched. So I'm gonna go ahead and light this up. We got the wheels in here. Also, we're smoothing the tailgate, getting rid of that Ford emblem. I thought about doing a light up Ford emblem on the back, but I was like, let's just be different. Let's smooth it out. So I will have a video on that as well. But let's light this up here, Scott. Will you hold the camera? Yes. Okay. Looks pretty cool. Yes, it'll be. And I'm gonna wire that up to the parking lots. Heck yeah, it's pretty bright, really.
It's really bright.
It's actually really bright in person. So like I said, this was for 15 through 17. I will put a link to this in the description box below if I can remember. I ordered it off of American Trucks. This is a Putco brand. So it's a Putco LED light up emblem. If I forget to put the link down there. This comes with stuff to like run it to a fuse tap, but we're just gonna wire it to our parking lights to where it comes on with the cab lights and the C-bars. So this will light up with the, so that emblem will light up with the C-bars, and from where that's like white, and then this will be white. That'll get rid of this red, and then all we gotta do is the tow hooks and this piece right here. And we'll be taking the hood stack off here soon to redo it as well. Alexa, turn shop off. Oh yeah. That looks pretty good, don't it?
So bright.
That is pretty bright. Heck yeah. Alexa, turn shop on. So it actually is really, really bright with the lights off. I wasn't even thinking. It was pretty bright with the lights on. So this is the newest company that we're working with on the YouTube channel. So huge shout out to JTX Forge. And the finish speaks for itself. Like the finish on these straight out of the box is absolutely amazing. And the quality, like the milling and everything is smooth inside. Like it looks so good. And billet caps from the factory. They don't have plastic caps, and you can do floaters if you want. So yeah. Finally, the lift kit from our other sponsor here on the channel, PMF Suspension. It should be shipping out here very, very soon. So we got that light up emblem. We're smoothing the tailgate. Got the wheels. Hopefully Friday, should be day after tomorrow, we'll be headed to Nashville to one of our other sponsors, DBA Lighting. He's also part owner of Bad Habits Automotive in Ashland City, Tennessee. So we'll be going out there and getting the tires put on to these wheels. So it should turn out really, really good, guys. Always remember, everybody starts out as nobody, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.